Yo, what's up, guys? Travis Peters here. Another bad ads marketing breakdown. I come and I do these things all the time because, honestly, I just don't want to see you guys waste money. I don't want to see you putting out ads that don't work. I see it all the time. Companies that run ads, they do them all wrong, and then they say Facebook ads just don't work. Instagram ads just don't work. They do. They work phenomenally. We've made between my businesses and clients' businesses, we've generated millions of dollars in sales recently from Facebook ads. So anyway, I hop on here. I want to help you out. I want to coach you with some basic sales copy stuff. You make these tweaks yourself, and you can go and crush it as well. So here's one: clickback. Generate more B2B leads. Clickback Mail lets you send cold email campaigns the right way. Sign up for a free demo today. And then they have, this is what is called a carousel ad. All right? A couple things right off the bat is this is a great piece of real estate. They should put content right here in their carousel ad. This is the little headline for carousel box. Carousel ads are fine. I don't necessarily think you need them for this ad. Usually we use them if we're going to display a bunch of different products that your company is going to sell, and maybe a bunch of different testimonials and that kind of deal. So send cold email campaigns, they say. Reach the inbox. Generate B2B leads with a super corporate picture. It's just, it's really bad. It's really, really bad one here, guys. Let's start with this topic is generate more B2B leads. Clickback Mail lets you send cold email campaigns the right way. So, whatever. What you got to do here is you got to focus on the feeling. You got to focus on the ultimate result. The ultimate result they're saying here is that you'll generate more B2B leads and you'll send cold email campaigns the right way. That's no, like the right way, like that doesn't get anybody to take action. You can see it doesn't got a lot going on down here, engagement wise. So what we need to focus on, I'm using my little magic tool here, and we've got to know our audience. You hear me say that over and over again. Sales copy and marketing is about knowing your audience. Let me get these guys here. All right. So they're going to send people who are in the business-to-business space. You do business with other business owners. Great space. B2B leads are awesome. But I think what we have to do here is we've got to come up with a way that grabs attention, stops the scroll, and gets somebody to say, that's exactly what I want. So, for instance, if somebody's trying to generate more B2B leads, think this through. They're going to be, what are you saving them from? Saving them from cold calling. Okay? It's talking about cold emailing, and that's fine. Cold emailing is still a great tactic and strategy. Can still work and be very successful. So I would come up with something like this, right? I like to start the question. Are you still generating leads? People know what you mean, but most people don't, like salespeople don't think of them that way. Because I do things that generate leads, but I don't say, I'm going to go work on my lead generation today. I don't use those words. But we'll think of something better in a second. Are you still generating leads? Cold calling. You spend more than half your day only to leave a voicemail that you know won't get returned. I was talking to a friend of mine, and he does sales for the company he works for, and he would spend sometimes half of the day literally just trying to research who to call. And so he'd only make 1 call a day, sometimes 2 calls, at the most 3. And if you're in the lead, if you gotta generate leads that way, you have to. It's a numbers game, right? So you're gonna have to make 100 phone calls just to get 10 on the phone, just to get 1 or 2 to sit down with you. So I mean, it's this numbers game. If you're cold calling still, you're not moving as fast as you could be moving. You do need to be generating leads this way as well. So do you spend more than half your day researching and planning who to cold call, only to leave a voicemail that you know won't get returned? Everyone's going to read that and say, yes. Sending cold email and time again that sending cold email something like this will increase your sales This is okay. You've seen me do this in a couple other videos. I keep going back, man. What's really working right now is case studies. I almost want to write these ads like, hey, case study, watch as, here, let me just give you an example. You've seen me do this a couple times. They just work so well right now, and they work on me. Again, what I would do if I was this company is I would take my best case study or my best testimonial and or the clients that seem to sign up the most. Okay, they're in the business-to-business leads, but what business? Do I mainly get accountants and they're trying to generate leads? Do I mainly get oil and gas companies? Do I mainly get, what is it? What's the main type of client that ClickBack gets? And let's talk about that, and let's use that case study to get more people like them and in that realm, right? So free case study, watch as a New York law firm switches from cold calling to cold emails and generates $78 brand new, ready to pull out their wallet leads in just 6 days. Sound crazy? It's not. What's up, bro? I'm making a video real quick. Oh, what's up?
What's up, bro?
Guess we're pausing. I was doing a video.
Oh, sorry about that. Didn't you?
Maybe I'll just leave it in. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I'll just leave this in here for you guys. It is. Y'all like me more because I don't edit my stuff, right? All right. So going the case study route. 78 brand new, ready to pull out their wallets leads in just 6 days. Sound crazy? It's not. They simply used the and then we can come up with something that like what I would do if I was ClickBack is I'd offer this case study, and then I would offer the cold email templates that they used, right? They simply used the proven cold email templates cold email templates that we will provide on the next page, absolutely free. Check out the case study today and see how ClickBack take your leads, sales, and revenue to the next level. So do you guys see the power in that? The free case study. What we do here, I mean, this is just a way sexier offer than what they had before. This is all they were working with. So, and even sign up for a free demo is a pretty big ask for this, because like, there's a ton of companies doing this. Just show me the video. I don't need to sign up for a demo. Now, the free case study, watch as New York law firm switches from cold calling to cold emails and generate 78 brand new, ready to pull out their wallet leads in just 6 days. Sound crazy? It's not. They simply use the proven cold email templates we'll provide on the next page, absolutely free. Dude, I would go grab that right now. Check out the case study today. See how ClickBack can take your leads, sales, and revenue to the next level. And that could even be expounded upon too. We could even take that up a notch by talking about the stuff that makes ClickBack special. Something like maybe there's a low flat fee instead of charging per email. Or maybe they only charge per email that opens. Like whatever makes these guys special, I'd be listing it out here. All the things you can do to make your offer even more attractive, you're gonna put it right here. Sign up. I would actually change that to learn more. Sign up's a little too harsh for this, because when you go to the next page, like this is about as I'd probably have to go an hour to fix this page for you guys. Hit inboxes, no spam folders. ClickBack mail lets you send cold email with no risk to your sender score. Automatically cleans your lists and gives your campaigns top-notch deliverability. So like some of this stuff could be moved to the ad, but it's still they're writing very technical, right? They're not writing like a marketer. They're not writing a sales copy. This is again probably some engineers, some technicians who came up with this great product. It's probably awesome. They just don't know how to sell it. That's where I get to get your copywriting on point. So remember, know your audience, know your market, know who's clicking here, and then work on this offer. Work on the free thing that's going to get them in the door. And in this video, this free case study video, you're going to have a call to action at the bottom that's going to get them to sign up for the demo. Get them to try it out for a week. Or, hey, maybe the offer is your first email blast is on us. Or maybe we'll migrate all your current contacts over to our system absolutely free, and that first email blast is on us. If it doesn't work, money back. Something like that. If they were to add this component combined with that new offer on the landing page, they themselves would get so many business-to-business leads that they'd be crushing it. You'd get some people to get their money back, sure. But with the proven templates, maybe you even add in headline hacks that guarantee 10% more open rates than any other email you've ever sent. Add those things in, and they can make this a very sexy offer, and they can start crushing it as well. So I'll see you in the next video.